Yeah, Gigi, yes. And good morning, everyone. Hello. Very good morning, and it's a great day. How you are feeling? We are back again, and I want to see some responses from you there. You have got some responses like "Good morning." These all kind of things, and I hope this is a trial session and trial version of Genesis, and there will be some training meeting content also. Hope I'm expecting that you are with proper connection and with a proper internet connection, and you have settled yourself in a right place to get everything today. What is for the next coming 30 to 60 seconds, 60 minutes, जो भी होने वाला है, आप सब enjoy करने के लिए तैयार हो गया है, and we are ready. Me and Dikshanji is also ready to give you the best, and and the most important thing I would like to say is जो भी एक टेक्निकल एरर हुआ था पिछले बार, उससे भी बेहतर बना के और स्ट्रांग बना के हम लोग आपके पास आए हम लोग, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग पेशेंट, and thank you so much for understanding the situation. First of all, you people are great because without conveying any kind of information, you understood the situation, and you are connected with us. So that's a great thing, and a great round of applause and a great round of things for you all. First of all, एंड दीक्षांत जी, आप क्या बताएगा, आप क्या बोलेगा इसके बारे में, हमारा टीम के बारे में और सारे एसओएल टीम के बारे में?
Actually, we are having a great opportunity today to listen to our two genius leaders, और आज हम बहुत ही highly I am excited also, and सर जल्दी से हम एक announcement करना चाहते हैं सर, मेरे को आपका support चाहिए, because I think कि सर हमने अपने आप को बहुत improve किया है, टीम बस ऐप ने भी अपने आप को बहुत improve किया है, एसओएल टीम ने भी अपने आप को बहुत improve किया है, और टुडे जितने भी लोग हमें लाइव देख पा रहे हैं, मुझे और शशांक सर को कांग्रेचुलेशंस दैट यू हैव एंटर्ड इन दिस ऐप, एंड फिर भी मैं आप लोगों को ये बताना चाहता हूँ, टू गेट द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस हम आपको जस्ट अभी आपके फोन पे एक मैसेज आने वाला है, एंड दैट इज आई थिंक दैट इज लाइव लिंक ऐप, जो कि आपको सीधे यूट्यूब पे रिडायरेक्ट करेगा, जो कि आपको सीधे यूट्यूब पे रिडायरेक्ट करने वाला है, एंड वो लिंक आपके पास बहुत जल्दी आने वाला है, शायद आपको स्क्रीन पे भी वो लिंक शो होगा, क्यों शशांक सर?
Yes sir, the link will be seen in the screen also, and you will be getting a SMS from OneBus team, and please kindly get connected with that link. आप ये अगर किसी हालत में भी कुछ टेक्निकल इश्यू आया, आप मीटिंग मत छोड़िएगा, आपको लिंक ऑटोमेटिक आ जाएगा, रीजनरेट होकर आपको लिंक आ जाएगा ऑटोमेटिक, टीम बस के बैकअप से आपको एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से आपको पक्का एक मैसेज आएगा, उसमें लिंक भी रहेगा, एंड यू जस्ट क्लिक दैट लिंक एंड you will be able to watch YouTube live, and whole event and whole session will be available in YouTube live also from that link, and there is no such kind of disturbances again, right? And mostly I guess I wish the admin team is going to share you the link. I wish the admin team just share the link, and please kindly send the link to all the SOL team.
Yes sir, अभी जस्ट आप लोगों के पास आपके बहुत जल्दी आपके फोन में एक लिंक आने वाला है, आइदर इट विल कम ऑन योर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, और आइदर वो ब्रॉडकास्ट लिस्ट के थ्रू आपके पास आ जाएगा, एंड जस्ट नो, डोंट नीड टू पैनिक, हम आपके साथ आज सेशन में कंटिन्यू रहेंगे, हम कहीं नहीं जाने वाले हैं, एंड हमारे अपलाइंस भी आज यहीं पे हैं, मौजूद हैं, दे आर विद अस, एंड वी आर रियली ब्लेस्ड टू लिसन देम, और जल्दी से आपके फोन में लिंक्स आने वाली हैं, बहुत जल्दी आपके पास लिंक आने वाला है, मेरे पास मैसेजेस भी आए हैं कि यू विल बी गेटिंग सम गुड लिंक राइट नाउ।
सी दीक्षांत जी, ये एक प्रिपरेशन है, प्रिपरेशन है, अगर कुछ ऐसे कुछ टेक्निकल इश्यू आया तो आप पैनिक नहीं होने के लिए, वी आर प्रिपेयर्ड so that you will be able to watch and learn from YouTube live also. This is something what we are preparing for tomorrow's event, so you just follow the flow what we are instructing you, and I would like to request admin team, please admin team kindly आप link एक बार दिखा दीजिए, स्क्रीन पे लिंक एक बार दिखा दीजिए, एंड आप सेंड भी कर दीजिए, एंड बिकॉज सी दीज आर द थिंग्स, बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम बहुत सारे लोग पैनिक हो गया था, बहुत सारे लोग बहुत कुछ बताया था, एक्सप्लेन कर दिया था कि ऐसा हो गया सर, ऐसा कैसा होता है सर, ये सिंपल थिंग सर, आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू वी आर प्रिपेयर्ड, एंड आपको लिंक भी आ जाएगा, and first of all I would like to say give a great round of applause and wishes for one team buzz team also, right? One team buzz टीम, वो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को भी आप देना पड़ेगा, आप सारे लोग, बिकॉज दे आर प्रिपेयरिंग वेरी डे एंड नाइट, बहुत कुछ. So you can see, you can able to see that link, right? You can able to see the link. Yes, yes. So yeah, that link will be sent to you through a SMS, एंड नोटिफिकेशन में आप जाके आप वो लिंक को दबा के आप यूट्यूब लाइव पे सब लोग आ जाओ, एंड वी विल मीट इन द यूट्यूब लाइव. इन केस एनी काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशंस विल हैपन, any kind of error things or technical errors will happen tomorrow, be prepared. Don't just get disconnected from the event. The event will continue with this link, with this such kind of link will come to you, and it will be sent by our administrative team, and admin team से आ जाएगा आपको, and आप आराम से पूरा इवेंट आने वाले नेक्स्ट कमिंग 90 मिनट्स और 1.5 आवर जो भी आप यूट्यूब लाइव पे पूरा सीख सकते हो, एंड सेशन को अटेंड कर सकते हो. एंड आई गेस सब लोगों को लिंक आ चुका है होगा. अभी लिंक नहीं आया है तो वेट करो, आपको लिंक आ जाएगा. और ये दीक्षांत जी आपका म्यूट है.
तो जिन लोगों को भी अपना लिंक दिखाई दे रहा है स्क्रीन पे, जिनको भी अपना लिंक दिख रहा है लाइव सेशन पे, जो भी लोग लिंक देख पा रहे हैं, आई रिक्वेस्ट देम टू शेयर द लिंक ऑन द ग्रुप्स. जल्दी से आप उस लिंक को ग्रुप पे शेयर कर दीजिए. एंड इफ समवन इज लकी टू हैव माय नंबर, प्लीज शेयर दैट लिंक टू मी एंड शशांक सर आल्सो, कि हम उसको जल्दी से फॉरवर्ड कर सकें. एंड आई थिंक द सेशन इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी गुड. ओके, यस, आई गॉट द लिंक एंड I got the link. आप लोगों के पास भी लिंक पहुंच चुका होगा. प्लीज जल्दी से आप लोग जाएं, लाइव जाएं, वहां पे लिंक पे लाइव जाएं, एंड वी विल जस्ट कंटिन्यू आवर सेशन देयर. आई थिंक सर, शशांक सर, मैंने ग्रुप पे एक लिंक डाला है, शायद आपको भी मिल गया होगा, एंड दैट इज जेनेसिस इवेंट टेस्टिंग 2 लिंक. या
Ishan ji, you are already on YouTube live.
Okay, I think sir we are on YouTube live, and लोग भी कनेक्टेड हो चुके हैं YouTube लाइव पे. Okay. So
that's a great response. कमेंट बॉक्स में हम बहुत कुछ देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, बहुत लोग, and I request more responses. I request more and more responses. ये स्टॉल का ताकत दिखाइए आप कमेंट बॉक्स में. I want to see it, and that's a huge response, sir. Or because of response, because this is a preparation, sir. This is a preparation, and I would like to thank one team, whole administration of one team for this such kind of a backup and such kind of a thing, and very good. दीक्षांत जी आप क्या बताएगा? दीक्षांत जी, it's over to you.
Yes sir. मैं बहुत जल्दी से सर कुछ ग्रुप्स में लिंक फॉरवर्ड कर रहा हूँ. मैं बस आप लोगों को एक ही बात बोलना चाहूंगा, दिस इज अ डेमो इवेंट. ये एक डेमो इवेंट है ताकि हम कल का इवेंट बहुत जबरदस्त कर सकें, बहुत ही ज्यादा जबरदस्त कर सकें. उसका ये डेमो इवेंट है, और जल्दी आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी लाइव बुला सकते हो. अब आप सोचो, मतलब आप जल्दी से अपने फ्रेंड्स को कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप अरुण सर और उदित सर को सुनने वाले हो आगे कुछ आने वाले वक्त में. यूट्यूब सबके लिए लाइव है. एनीबडी कैन कनेक्ट ऑन यूट्यूब. तो आप जल्दी से आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं यूट्यूब लाइव पे, एंड दे विल बी गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज. और बस मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूंगा कि टुडे वी आर हैविंग अ डेमो इवेंट ओनली. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू कंफर्म फ्रॉम द एडमिन टीम की shall we move forward with the event? Okay, yeah, okay. तो यस शशांक सर, आई थिंक हमें जल्दी से इवेंट को आगे मूव ऑन करना है. जल्दी से आगे इवेंट को हम मूव ऑन करेंगे. एंड अभी आई थिंक वी आर नॉट लाइव ऑन यूट्यूब. हम अभी नहीं दिख रहे हैं. अभी यूट्यूब पे लिंक आ रहा है, जल्दी से अभी लिंक आ रहा है. वी जस्ट नीड टू कीप सम पेशेंस. सर बहुत सारे रिस्पॉन्सेज आ रहे हैं यूट्यूब पे, मैं देख पा रहा हूँ, मेरे पास फोन रखा हुआ है. अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सेज आर कमिंग. Okay, good morning everyone. Yes, good morning. Good morning.
We are able to hear you, but we are not able to see you on YouTube.
Okay. So I think there are many people who are sending good morning. There are Piyush ji and yes, इतने सारे नाम आ रहे हैं कि मैं पढ़ भी नहीं पा रहा हूँ. अंकित दीक्षित जी and आशीष जी, सोनी जी, वी जी, आज सारे लोग लाइव हैं एंड वी आर आल्सो लाइव, और बहुत जल्दी आपको स्क्रीन दिखाई देगी, बहुत जल्दी आपको स्क्रीन पे दिखाई देगी। जल्दी से ये लिंक भी शेयर करें, ये व्हाट्सएप का लिंक, ये जो यूट्यूब का लिंक है, आप जल्दी से शेयर करें एंड जल्दी से और लोगों को हमें बुलाना है। ओके, तो शशांक सर, क्या आप देख पा रहे हैं हमें, क्या आप देख पा रहे हैं, क्या रिस्पॉन्सेज आप देख पा रहे हैं यूट्यूब लाइव पे?
यस सर, दैट्स अ ग्रेट रिस्पॉन्स सर, बहुत सारे लोग रेस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हैं सर यहाँ पे, एंड दैट्स अ ग्रेट, दैट्स अ गुड रेस्पॉन्स एंड पॉजिटिव वाइब हो रहा है वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ, एंड आई फील लाइक वी कैन गो फॉरवर्ड स्टिल, एंड
सर अब मुझे लगता है कुछ देर में अभी टेक्निकल टीम हमें लाइव लेके जाएगी यूट्यूब पे। अभी मैं देख पा रहा हूँ कि देयर इज अ स्क्रीन कमिंग, जहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, थोड़ा यूट्यूब लिंक दिया हुआ है, एंड मैं जल्दी से बोलूंगा कि जब तक यूट्यूब लिंक अवेलेबल है। यस, नाउ सर वी आर लाइव ऑन यूट्यूब। शशांक सर, वी आर लाइव ऑन यूट्यूब, मैं देख पा रहा हूँ वी आर लाइव ऑन यूट्यूब। सो congratulations leaders, we are live on YouTube, first time we are live on YouTube, and we are live with Shashank sir, I'm live with Shashank sir, and आने वाले वक्त में आप बहुत ही जबरदस्त लीडर्स को भी आज आप सुनने वाले हैं। सीट बेल्ट को टाइट कर लीजिए, फोन को लैंडस्केप मोड में लगा लीजिए, हेडफोन्स लगा लीजिए, एंड शशांक सर आप क्या कहते हैं, लोग एक्साइटेड हैं?
yes sir, definitely sir, because they are seeing one of the new kind of thing. आज ये पहली बार YouTube लाइव से लोग कुछ सीखने के लिए तैयार है, एंड जेनेसिस इवेंट को अटेंड करने के लिए तैयार है, and this Genesis is showing different kind of reflections to them, and it is trying so hard to connect them. आज यहाँ से नहीं तो YouTube से कनेक्ट हो जाएगा, YouTube नहीं से WhatsApp से कैसे भी कनेक्ट हो जाएगा, लेकिन कनेक्ट हो जाएगा आप लोगों को, यही बता रहा है। एंड keep up the spirit man, I can see the responses in a great way, keep up the spirit, and we'll stay tuned, आगे जाके हम बहुत कुछ बताने जा रहे हैं हम लोग। एंड अभी दीक्षांत जी, हम लोग shall we invite the next great personality sir? दीक्षांत जी।
Yes sir, we are ready to invite our first personality. We are ready. Actually sir, मेरी sister भी बहुत excited है, तो she's constantly asking me कि फोन दिखाओ, YouTube पे तुम live हो, तो she's very excited. And sir, coming up next sir, सबसे पहले हम invite करने वाले हैं sir, मेरे को आपका support चाहिए, आपको सपोर्ट चाहिए, inviting the first personality and first leader of team BioChef SOL, Shashank sir, I would like to request you, मेरे को आपका सपोर्ट चाहिए to invite the first personality.
Yes Dikshant ji, definitely, and I would like to invite that personality is a mentor for mentor. He gives great ideas and great teaching and training to many of the leaders, and he's one of the core and most important personality of Team SOL, and I would like to invite that personality, that great personality in network marketing and industry in our BioSash and Team SOL. And can you guess who is? Can you guess the name? I want to see in that comments. Can you guess the name? And I would like to invite Mr. Arun Solanki sir. And admin team, please, I would request for the Arun Solanki sir's promo.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Shashank sir, for such a great warm welcome, and Dikshant sir for inviting me. And I'm very blessed to have you all with me, and giving me an opportunity to talk in front of many people, in front of one of the biggest platform of the world, YouTube. And yes, we know that we all are excited for today to get something. And I mean, we will be talking about the takeaways, what we are going to take from here. There are some topics which we have decided, me and my one of the greatest and big leader, Mr. Udit Chawla sir. We both are going to provide you something which are very vital in network marketing and how you people. I think I'm very much audible to all of you, Shashank sir.
Yes sir.
Yeah. Fine. So today we are, without wasting the time, I mean, let me tell you, leader. Today we are going to do. I mean, not only today, but since ever I have met with the network marketing industry, I have got to know that you dare to take challenges. आपको चैलेंज लेना चाहिए। जिंदगी में चैलेंज लेना बहुत जरूरी है। बिना चैलेंज के, बिना अच्छा हमारे अंदर तो कूट कूट के भरा है, हमारे अंदर चैलेंज लेना कूट कूट के भरा है। जो रिस्क लेना होता है, रिस्क टेकिंग कैपेबिलिटीज तो हमारे अंदर बहुत सारी होती है, और यही एक कारण होता है कि इंसान जिंदगी में सफल होता है। मैं बहुत बड़ा फॉलोअर हूं इलॉन मस्क का, एंड व्हाट आई लर्न फ्रॉम हिम इज हिज एवरीथिंग वाज गोइंग वेरी वेल। सब कुछ उसका बहुत अच्छा चल रहा था, और पेपाल चला रहा था, वो बहुत बढ़िया उसका बिजनेस चल रहा था। देन व्हाट इट कम्स कि उसके दिमाग में क्या कीड़ा आया कि उसने रिस्क लिया। क्यों रिस्क लिया उसने? उसने 3 बार मिसाइल्स का टेस्ट किया, दैट नॉट मिसाइल, रॉकेट्स का टेस्ट किया, रीयूजेबल रॉकेट्स का, एंड ऑल द 3 टाइम्स, yes, all the 3 times he got failed, and everything was smooth before that. Then why he took that risk? Because where he is today, you can understand why he has taken the risk. जहां पर वो है आज, इससे यह बात साबित होती है कि रिस्क लेना क्यों जरूरी है। और जिंदगी में अगर जो रिस्क नहीं लेता, सबसे बड़ा रिस्क होता है, फेसबुक का ओनर भी कहता है, सबसे बड़ा रिस्क, द बिगेस्ट रिस्क इन योर लाइफ इज नॉट टेकिंग एनी रिस्क, राइट? गिरते हैं शहसवारे मैदाने जंग में, वो तिफल क्या गिरेंगे जो घर से निकले ही नहीं, राइट? जिंदगी में जो कोई बाहर जो कुछ ट्राई करेगा ही नहीं, कुछ कोशिश करने की कोशिश नहीं करेगा। अब जो चांद पे जो साइंटिस्ट जाते हैं, वो क्या सोच के आते हैं, मैं वापस आऊंगा कि नहीं आऊंगा? लेकिन वो वापस आने के लिए नहीं जाते हैं, सिर्फ अपने आप को एक चैलेंज देते हैं। एंड टुडे, यस, नाउ लेट्स कम डायरेक्टली टू द टॉपिक। मैं चाहूंगा कि आज का जो मेरा टॉपिक है वो बहुत दमदार, बहुत जबरदस्त, और मेरे 11 साल के अनुभव के साथ आपको मैं देने जा रहा हूं। After 11 years of experience in network marketing, I have worked in many places, many cities, many villages, many big, I went across the globe. But what I learned that this platform is all about not inventing the wheel, but not about invention, but renovation. ये invention का business नहीं है, renovation का business है। और उसको कैसे मैं explain करता हूँ, मैं आपके लिए कुछ prepare करके लाया हूँ। Let's have that slides live, sir. Shashank sir and Dikshant sir, if we can have that.
Yeah.
Thank you
Yes,
so
sir.
much.
Yes, sir.
I think everyone can see the properly visible to everyone, because yes, I think it's properly visible to everyone. Give me a few seconds. Give me a few seconds so that I can also, open it on YouTube live, so that I would also be knowing that it's working properly. ताकि मैं मुझे 1 सेकेंड का समय दीजिए, वक्त दीजिए।
Yes, Arun sir, we are able to see the slides in a proper way, and we are able to
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So just 1 second, sir. Just 1 second. Give me a few seconds. Right. So as right, if you can now, the point here written is, जो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, आप देख पा रहे हैं, dissection of a follow. अगर हम, मुझे अभी भी याद है, बायोलॉजी में हम डाइसेक्शन किया करते थे जब भी हम क्लास 10th में, जब हम मेरा तो मैं तो इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, तो वहां पर क्या है कि क्या क्या होता है फॉलोअप में, और क्या कारण होता है कि फॉलोअप को लोग इग्नोर करते हैं, और फॉलोअप में बेसिकली आपको किन बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए। बेसिकली फॉलोअप, व्हाट फॉलोअप कैन गिव यू इज अ बिगेस्ट रिजल्ट, बिकॉज आई एम वेयर आई एम टुडे इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ माई फॉलोअप स्किल्स। मैं अपने फॉलोअप स्किल्स को डेवलप कर पाया। प्रेजेंटेशंस को तो हर कोई दे सकता है, इनफैक्ट क्लास 5th का भी स्टूडेंट जो है ना, वो प्रेजेंटेशन दे सकता है। क्लास 5th स्टूडेंट कैन आल्सो गिव अ प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग, बट हाउ टू बिकम अ मिलियनेयर बिलियनेयर through network marketing, that will be dependent upon your follow-up skills. And that follow-up skills, next slide please. Right, yeah. So now up follow-up, before starting the follow-up further, let me tell you one thing. The line which I had, कल रात में मुझे एक line याद आ गई, और the line is, all success stories of the world is all about defying the objections and proving yourself. Be a victim or be a victory. Be a victim or be a victory. लोग क्या करते हैं कि अपनी जिंदगी में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है वो भूल जाते हैं, वो है कॉन्फिडेंस, आत्मविश्वास और एटीट्यूड, राइट एटीट्यूड, देने वाला एटीट्यूड या लेने वाला एटीट्यूड, राइट। अच्छा, उसके साथ साथ नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, अगर आपको यहाँ पर आगे बढ़ना है, राइट, तो आज हम 3 टॉपिक्स के ऊपर बात करेंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट 3 टॉपिक्स ऑफ फॉलोअप्स, and we are going to dissect the follow-up in 3 different stages. One thing is approach. What should be your approach? Second thing is procedure. What is going to be your procedure? Third thing is mistakes. What mistakes generally people do, why they are not getting the results. Try to understand, my dear friend, it's a millionaire billionaire business. It's $1 million of business or $1 billion of business, but you also need to give your input in millions of, like, millions of efforts or billions of efforts. The whatever you are giving the input, the same output you are going to get. Take it as a priority. नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग को आपको प्रायोरिटी पे लेना पड़ेगा. मैं आज करोड़पति बन पाया, मल्टी करोड़पति बन पाया, मैं आज बहुत बड़ा अपना नाम बना पाया, बिकॉज मैं कुछ नहीं हूँ. आई एम नथिंग. It's all because of the platform. Obviously, if you are driving a Maruti and driving a Ferrari, what is the difference? Difference is not you. Difference is the car. So network marketing was that Ferrari for me, which taken me to that level. So what is most important thing is that, first of all these things will only work if you are a hardworking person, if you are having a priority as a network marketing. सब कुछ काम तभी करता है जब गाड़ी में डीजल पेट्रोल होगा, तभी गाड़ी चलेगी. It means there is no substitute of hard work. But if you are a dedicated person, then these slides are for you, then these contents are for you. Next slide please. Next slide please. The next slide is, as we can see, अच्छा ये पूरा slide नहीं आ रहा है. I would request कि इसका जो ऊपर, ठीक है, okay, fine. Right. Now approach क्या होनी चाहिए? Sale, peak, open lead, personal assurance. These are the 4 points. First point is sale. I mean, people want the sale eagerly, but they don't understand that sale is a process. It's not an event. Sale एक process होता है, event नहीं होता. अब क्या हुआ, आपने किसी इंसान को फोन किया, अब आप कोशिश क्या, आपका फोकस क्या होता है कि उसकी ज्वाइनिंग आ जाए. It should not be your attitude. ज्वाइनिंग आना एक एटीट्यूड नहीं, गलत एटीट्यूड है कि जल्दी से जल्दी तुम ज्वाइन कर लो. द एटीट्यूड शुड बी दैट ही शुड कम टू अ पीक. एक पीक पे ले आकर, लोहा गर्म होने के बाद ही हथौड़ा मारना चाहिए. ज्यादातर लोग, बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ कंटेंट एंड लैक ऑफ पेशेंस, दे लूज द पेशेंस टू मोटिवेट देयर गेस्ट टू दैट लेवल व्हेन दैट सेल बिकम ऑटोमेटिक. एक सेल ऑटोमेटिक हो जाए, उस तक, वहां तक ले जाने तक लोग पेशेंस खो देते हैं, लूज कर देते हैं. आई हैव सीन पीपल, आई यूज्ड टू डू फॉलोअप्स ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स 1 hour, half an hour, 45 minutes. Why? Because I was eager to give my knowledge to him. And how I was, because मैं books पढ़ रहा था, मैं knowledge ले रहा था, तो इस वजह से I was very much eager to take him to a peak level. मैं उसको एक level पे लेके जाऊंगा, तब मैं बात करूंगा कि अच्छा, most of the time my guest used to say how can I join. ज्यादातर वक्त मेरा गेस्ट मुझसे पूछता था कि मैं कैसे ज्वाइन कर सकता हूँ. मेरे को पूछने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी. तो आपको एक सेल के लिए समझना पड़ेगा, it's a process, not an event. Peak, let him reach peak before you close the sale, right? And third thing is open the lid. Most of the time what you are speaking and what it's going to him is totally blocked. क्या होता है कि अगर आप किसी जार में, if you want to put something in a jar, you have to open the lid first of all. So you have to get connected with with that person. And how you can get connected with that person? The power of appreciation. For example, if I'm talking to a friend, मैं किसी से बात कर रहा हूँ, तुझे पता है यार, मैं बहुत लोगों को ट्राई कर सकता था, लेकिन सबसे पहले मेरा दिमाग में तुम्हारा नाम आया. क्यों आया तुम्हारा नाम? क्योंकि मेरे को भी लगता है यार, अगर कोई डेडिकेटेड हो सकता, कोई भी अच्छी क्वालिटी, if he is having any good quality, right, you can point out that quality of that person. Every person is having a good quality, and if he is your friend, you must be knowing what is the quality he is having. अगर आपका वो दोस्त है, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि वो क्या क्वालिटी पोजेस कर रहा है, राइट? तो ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है कि आपको एक अच्छा रिलेशन, कम्युनिकेशन. और याद रखिएगा, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आपने उसको बात किया, भाई पता है मैंने बहुत देखे हैं, लेकिन तुम्हारे जैसे कम ही लोग होते हैं. तो वो क्या बोलेगा? वो हंसेगा, वो ही विल स्माइल. फिर देन ही विल आस्क क्यों, व्हाई? क्योंकि वो भी जानना चाहेगा कि मेरे जैसे कम लोग क्यों है भाई. तो यू नीड टू पॉइंट आउट सम क्वालिटीज ऑफ हिम, कुछ अच्छी क्वालिटी. Whatever, like if he is good by heart, if he is helping in nature, if he is having a polite attitude, if his smile is good. For example, अगर शशांक सर का स्माइल अच्छा है, तो मैं क्या बोलूंगा? शशांक सर, you know what? I like your smile so much. Now, Shashank sir cannot deny me. He will accept everything which is associated with me. Because मैंने क्या बोला? शशांक सर क्या स्माइल है आपका? शशांक सर आपका हेयर स्टाइल तो मैं बहुत कोशिश करता हूँ आपकी तरह करने का, बट मैं कभी कर नहीं सकता हूँ, मुझे लगता है. I cannot have the hairstyle like you. Now, over appreciation भी नहीं करना है, and I mean, it should not look like you are acting, or it should not look like you are शशांक सर के चेहरे पे स्माइल आ गया. वाई, क्यों आ गया? बिकॉज आई हैव यूज दैट टेक्निक. वो मैंने कहां से सीखा? द क्वेश्चन, how to win friends and influence people. Now, fourth thing is personal assurance. देखो मैं, I will go very fast because I have a limited time, right? And in any other meetings, we can have elaboration of all these topics because these are very vast topics. I can talk one hour, two hour in all these different topics, but I will go very fast. Personal assurance. What is a personal assurance? सबसे बड़ी ताकत दुनिया की होती है मैं हूं ना. मेरे वाइफ के लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है? मैं हूं ना. मेरे माँ बाप के लिए मैं हूं ना. मेरे अपलाइन के लिए मैं हूं ना. मेरे डाउनलाइन के लिए मैं हूं ना. तो ये मैं हूं ना, एक पिक्चर आया था शाहरुख खान का, मैं हूं ना, राइट? सो दैट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट मैं हूं ना कैन हैव. जैसे मोदी जी को देख के क्या लगता है? अरे मैं हूं ना, मोदी जी है ना. तो ऐसी हमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज क्या देनी है? पर्सनल एश्योरेंस. कंपनी बाद में, प्रोडक्ट्स बाद में, एवरीथिंग. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रोडक्ट्स. प्रोडक्ट इज हैविंग अ वेरी डिफरेंट वर्टिकल्स एंड इट इज हैविंग ह्यूज टॉपिक्स टू डिस्कस. बट टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस कोर सेल. कोर सेल. What is the psychology of a sale, right? So मैं हूं ना. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Now, approach part 2. Nobody will come to you. अच्छा, यहाँ पर क्या होता है? What most people used to do, I mean, they used to focus on closing immediately after the PPT, free registration, loss of delay, or any way you can close the sale, right? And I mean, on the table, you need to close the deal. On the table, you should try to close the deal most of the time, because you know what? Most of the time, what we used to give, we ourselves are not ready to register himself immediately. हम खुद तैयार नहीं होते हैं उसको तुरंत ज्वाइन कराने के लिए. क्यों? क्योंकि हमको क्या लगता है? What we used to think, अरे अभी तो ये समझेगा, अभी तो ये सीखेगा, अभी तो इसका 5 बार फॉलोअप होगा. Because past experience, पीछे का कुछ ऐसा है. Is this business the biggest culprit and the biggest evil is? What is the biggest evil? The biggest evil is your past. आपका past जो होता है वो आपका biggest evil है. Because in normal conditions, for normal human being, for normal people, I mean the pattern is important. पीछे जो 5 साल में हुआ वही अगले 5 साल में होगा. यही होता है normal life में. Whatever happened in the last 5 years, that will happen in the next 5 years. But in network marketing, whatever has never happened in last 5 years, that can happen in the next 5 days. ये opportunity का business है. स्टॉक मार्केट देखते हो आप, कब ऊपर कब नीचे, और यही लाइफ भी है. अगर पहले से भगवान आपको बता देते कि यार तुम्हारे साथ मंडे को ये होगा, ट्यूसडे को ये होगा, थर्सडे को ये होगा, तो क्या होता? कभी मजा आता जीने में? कैन यू विल यू बी एबल टू लिव हैप्पीली? नेवर. सो व्हाट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग कि you need to understand that we have to try not to delay the things. हम साइकोलॉजी मत बनाइए कि मेरे को सेल बाद में आएगा. मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, इमीडिएट प्रेजेंटेशन आई यूज्ड टू हैव 5 सेल्स विथ 1 प्रेजेंटेशन. एक प्रेजेंटेशन में 5 ज्वाइनिंग निकालते थे हम. क्यों? क्योंकि बाकी के फ्रेंड्स को क्या बोलता था वो गेस्ट, भाई मैं आई एम जस्ट स्टार्टिंग समथिंग, जस्ट सेंड मी 5,000 रुपीज, 10,000 रुपीज. 5 people, I'm without having presentation. Why to have presentation for some people? It's okay if I believe you, if I trust you. अब मेरे को, if I have to join my wife, if I have to join my brother, if I have to join my अरे यार, मेरा तुम हाफ पैंट पहनते हो, मेरा शर्ट पहनते हो, 5,000 रुपए तुम नहीं बेच सकते हो. दोस्ती है ये. बिजनेस का कोर बेसिक समझना बहुत जरूरी है. यूज थर्ड पर्सन अप्रोच जब भी आप बात करते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज यूज थर्ड पर्सन अप्रोच. लोगों का तुम जानते हो यार कैसे हैं, उनको बस जैसे यहाँ पे कुछ पॉइंट लिखे हुए हैं. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस थिंग. थर्ड पर्सन अप्रोच इज व्हाट एवर यू वांट टू टेल हिम, टेल एनी पर्सन, ऑलवेज ट्राई टू यूज थर्ड पर्सन. फॉर एग्जांपल, यू ऑलरेडी नो यार हाउ पीपल आर. दे आर लेजी, दे आर लाइक दैट. तुमको पता है यार, मैं तो अप्रोच कर रहा था शिवम को, लेकिन मुझे लगा कि यार पहले तो तुमको अप्रोच करूं मैं, क्योंकि मालूम है क्या, मेरे को तुम्हारे अंदर ये क्वालिटी अच्छा लगता है. मैं खुल के बोलता हूँ. व्हाटएवर जो भी मैं बोलता हूँ, मैं दिल से बोलता हूँ, मैं साफ साफ बोलता हूँ. देखो आपका पर्पस क्या है, उसको जीतना. यू नीड टू विन हिम. Your purpose is not to show your benefits of the company's product and everything, all those things. That is a secondary thing. You need to win him first of all, right? Use third person approach. If you want to criticize, don't criticize him. आपको मालूम है ये आदमी एकदम बेकार है, खत्म है, आपको पता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेरे कोई गेस्ट सामने है, दीक्षांत जी या शशांक सर इज माई गेस्ट. आई नो दैट यस, दीक्षांत सर एंड शशांक सर, इनको ये बिल्कुल बेकार है, ये किसी काम के नहीं है. मतलब ये स्लीपिंग टू मच. Sorry to say this, all these things. You are just, I'm treating you as a guest. तो आपको क्या करना है, बस आपको इसी तरीके से ये पॉइंट्स को उठाना है थर्ड पर्सन लेकर के. पता है यार शशांक, वो तो ऐसे लोग मैंने देखे हैं, लोग सोते रहते हैं, कुंभकर्ण है, रावण है लोग. लोग ऐसे मतलब जिंदगी में कोई सपना नहीं है, कोई ड्रीम नहीं है. अब मैं उसको कह रहा हूँ, आई एम टेलिंग टू शशांक, बट आई एम यूजिंग थर्ड पर्सन. जैसे सास बहू में होता है ना, सास बहू में, तो सास बहू में कोल्ड वॉर होता है. कोल्ड वॉर तो क्या करती है, बहू सास, थोड़ा मीटिंग लंबी हो जाएगी if I elaborate it. I have many points but we will cut short the points, right? People will not call you, लोग आपको कॉल नहीं करेंगे. People will not call you. Many people have seen in this business. मैं इस बिजनेस पे देखता हूँ कि whenever a new associate, he is used to work differently. वो वेट करता है, दे यूज्ड टू वेट फॉर द गेस्ट कॉल्स कि अरे यार वो कॉल करेगा, वो बोलेगा सर प्लीज मुझे ज्वाइन करना है, प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज, आई बेग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, प्लीज मेक मी ज्वाइन बायोशेष, आई वांट एसबीटी प्रोडक्ट, अदरवाइज आई विल डाई. सर, इट विल नेवर हैपन. Just like in the cricket, you can't tell a bowler to please ball slowly. You can't have a guest to come to you and join automatically. तो ये कभी नहीं होगा, आपको अप्रोच करना पड़ेगा. And you need to learn that this is a very big business. You need to learn all those things. Don't argue. लोगों के साथ argue मत करें. Argue करना एक सबसे बड़ा dangerous problem. Many times emotional में बैक करके हम argue कर जाते हैं इससे. आप एक्सेप्ट कर लो, जो भी कह रहा है वो एक्सेप्ट. अरे आपका कहना तो बिल्कुल सही है, पता है, मैं भी यही मानता हूं, लेकिन then use triple F. लेकिन then use triple F. Feel, felt, found. अब triple F थोड़ा आगे बताऊंगा मैं. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. इसको एलोबरेट करेंगे हम बाद में. राइट. अप्रोच 3, 30% ब्रेक थ्रू. अभी क्या होता है कि पीपल नेवर अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग दैट अ सेल, आउट ऑफ 52 कार्ड्स, अगर 52 पत्ते हैं आपके पास, तो इक्का कहां होगा ये आप डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर 10 पत्ते हैं तो हो सकता होगा, हो सकता है नहीं होगा. Maybe it will be there or it will not be there if you have only 10 cards, right? So you should have all the 52 cards. It means if you are giving presentation, then only there is a percentage of 3 people who will join you. If you are giving 10 presentation, then only there is a percentage of 3 people join you. Many people used to come to me 5 presentation, after 5 presentation, no joining comes. Maybe those 3 people are at the end of those 10 people, right? Maybe 7th, 8th, maybe 8th, 9th, 10th people are those people who will join you. Now what will happen? They are the pullers. वो pullers होते हैं. वो 3 लोग जब ज्वाइन करते हैं तो बाकी के 7 लोगों को मोटिवेट करते हैं. You can motivate rest of the 7 people. I have seen many people in this business, many associates in this business, because of lack of record keeping, they are not able to have a proper record of their guests and everything, and they forget their old guests. पुराने गेस्ट को तो भूल गए. पुराने गेस्ट को क्यों 50 प्रेजेंटेशन हुई थी, उनको छोड़ क्यों दिया आपने? Triple F is the most beautiful formula in this business. इससे अच्छा तो रामबाण कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है. ट्रिपल एफ में क्या है? कुछ नहीं, कुछ भी बोल रहा है. सर यू नो व्हाट, मैं भी ऐसा ही सोचता था, मेरे को लगता था कंपनी फ्रॉड है, मेरे को लगता था ऐसा है, लेकिन फिर पता है मुझे क्या हुआ? फिर मैंने जब इस सिस्टम को देखा, फिर यू नीड टू हैव अ स्टोरी लाइक दीक्षांत सर, लाइक शशांक सर, राइट? आपको एक स्टोरी बतानी होगी उस पे कि कैसे शशांक सर ने मेरे को फिर बताया, फिर कैसे वो, दैट्स अ वेरी बिग पार्ट. डू नॉट बैग. 95% of the people associate in this industry, they are having this attitude unknowingly or knowingly. जानबूझ के या आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही दीक्षांत जी, राइट? unknowingly or knowingly, right? 95% of people, they are having this attitude. और यही एक रीजन होता है. मेरे एक कस्टमर में मेरे को बोला, कंज्यूमर ने मेरे को बोला कि ये तो 1600 रुपए का है, लेकिन हम तो 1600 में तो नहीं बेचेंगे जूस. ये जूस हम 1600 में कैसे बेच सकते हैं? मैंने कहा अच्छा, अगर आप 1600 में नहीं बेचोगे तो एक बात बताओ, सामने वाला बंदा क्या बोलेगा आपको? डिस्काउंट दे रहा है, इसका मतलब प्रोडक्ट अच्छा नहीं है. बिकॉज यू आर पुटिंग योरसेल्फ डाउन इफ यू आर गिविंग अ डिस्काउंट. डिस्काउंट मींस देयर इज सम, आपको पता है ना, बिग बाजार में डिस्काउंट, कहीं पर भी डिस्काउंट आता है तो क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है? ओल्ड स्टॉक, क्लियरेंस ऑफ ओल्ड स्टॉक. देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम इफ यू आर गिविंग एनी काइंड ऑफ लिबरेशन. डोंट गिव एनी लिबरेशन. आप लिबरल, आप व्हेन इट कम्स टू द क्वालिटी नेवर कॉम्प्रोमाइज. अरे डोमिनोज 600 रुपए का पिज्जा बेच रहा है, जो मेरी वाइफ जो है ना 50 रुपए में बनाती है और उसे टेस्टी बनाती है. कभी आना, मैं खिलाऊंगा आपको. ठीक है दीक्षांत जी?
यस सर, यस.
हाँ, पिज्जा मैं खाता हूँ, लॉकडाउन में घर का ही पिज्जा खाता हूँ. तो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि 600 रुपए का पिज्जा कॉन्फिडेंटली बेचता और लोग खाते हैं. और इनफैक्ट मैं आपको बताऊं, लड़के लड़कियां अपने पैसे काट के बचा के जाते हैं पिज्जा खाने के लिए 600 रुपए का. तो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट हिज कॉन्फिडेंस ऑफ 1600 रुपीज. एमआरपी से नीचे सेल करोगे तो तुम अपने आप को, यू आर अंडर एस्टिमेटिंग. नाउ SYPOS, CPOS, व्हाट इज दिस? शो योर प्लान ऑफ सक्सेस. जब भी किसी को, whenever you want to win the heart, you need to show your plan of success. The most important thing is that people forget that you should behave as a engine, not as an, you should behave as an engine, not as the coach of a train. So आप मेरे ज्यादातर जो ज्वाइनिंग्स आती थी, the most important reason why I used to get the sales in my initial days, and that reason was, मैं तो उसको बोल देता था 2 महीने में बाइक, 1 साल में कार, ये बड़ा 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 बड़ा, ये मेरा प्लान है, ये मेरे प्रेजेंटेशन है, ये मेरे फॉलोअप है, 1 महीना आई डोंट हैव टू डू एनीथिंग. मेरे को मालूम है कि उसको इम्प्रेस करना है मुझे. उस समय में वो मेरा ससुर जी बन जाता था. He used to be like my upcoming, you know, ससुर जी whatever, like I have to impress ससुर जी या you know interviewer anyone. आपको मैं उसको impress कैसे कर सकता हूँ? Who I am, what I'm going to do. If you are going to come to me, if you're going to come with me, you're going to be successful. Otherwise, I will be successful and you will be looking at my success. Otherwise, I will be successful and you will be looking at my success. That was my attitude throughout. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. On spot closing, testimonials. Testimonials are the best thing in this industry. Testimonials के बिना ये system अधूरा है. It's magic. Testimonials are magic. You should have a collection of testimonials and many things, right? In the testimonials, बहुत सारे leaders हैं, बहुत सारे भूपेन sir, निखिल sir, उदित sir, Rajnish sir, Rajshekhar sir, Vijay sir, Ved sir, and many more people. Shivam Dixit sir, Anirudh Narayan Gupta sir, you know, many from South India, Hari sir, right? Jayesh sir team. I mean, many people, like, right? Rajasthan team. So many teams are there. So many success stories are there. You should have collection. Use the everything. Follow. ये तो रामबाण है. Follow up within 24 hours. खाना आप 2 दिन पुराना बनाया हुआ खाना आज तो नहीं खाते हो. आज नहीं खाते हो, right? तो आपको, if you cannot eat last 2 days of food, how you can take a follow up of a guest after 24 hours? How is it possible? It's more negativity than a positivity. I mean, घर को साफ नहीं करोगे तो गंदा हो जाता है, right? मोबाइल को चार्ज नहीं करोगे तो डिस्चार्ज हो जाता है. कार में तेल नहीं डलवाओगे तो वो कार चलती नहीं है. तो विद टाइम एनर्जी डिप्लीट होती है साहब. और एक वोल्टेज होता है ना, हायर पोटेंशियल टू लोअर पोटेंशियल वोल्टेज फ्लो करता है, नॉट फ्रॉम लोअर पोटेंशियल टू हायर पोटेंशियल. आई एम अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ फिजिक्स, so you must be knowing this thing, right? So you are at a higher potential. If you will go to the lower potential, if you are not talking to the guest, if you are not getting connected with him, if you are not motivating, if you're not making him understand, right? So obviously that is not going to work. Stick to the basic. Most of the people, they used to teach too many things, but they never talk about the basics. Basic are the most important thing in this industry. किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म में बेसिक कभी चेंज नहीं होता है. इट नेवर. अब मोबाइल फोन, एक मेरे मोबाइल फोन में अगर सिम निकाल दिया, if there is no SIM slot, that this is not going to be only a mobile phone, then this is going to be changed. I cannot tell it a mobile phone. What is the basic factor of this mobile phone? That it is a SIM. It is used for calling. Otherwise, it will become a tablet, or it will become a radio, or it will become a torch. Whatever you can say. एक टॉर्च बन जाएगा, रेडियो बन जाएगा. तो बेसिक तो लोग भूल जाते हैं. 9 points of follow-ups आपको याद रखने पड़ेंगे. अपनी अपलाइन से कांटेक्ट कीजिए. Contact your upline for the 9 points of follow-ups: security, millionaireship, and easiness of the business and everything. Right? Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Right? ये points हम किसी और दिन डिस्कस करेंगे. I don't have time. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. I don't have time. I cannot go further. Next slide, please. साइकोलॉजी ऑफ इंडियन यूथ, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, बट हम नेक्स्ट मीटिंग में डिस्कस करेंगे. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट एंड विच आई नीड टू डिस्कस, बट नेक्स्ट टाइम प्लीज. मिस्टेक यू कांट रिप्लेनिश, ये पॉइंट भी हम नेक्स्ट मीटिंग में डिस्कस करेंगे. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टुडे, and thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for inviting me, and let's create a very big things. And trust me, छोटी मोटी प्रॉब्लम्स आती रहती हैं. जब गाड़ी बहुत तेज चलती है ना, तो छोटे मोटे गड्ढे में पता भी नहीं चलती है. और याद रखिएगा, अगर कोई छोटी मोटी प्रॉब्लम्स लाइफ में आ रही है, तो जिंदगी में there is never a greener, I mean there is always a greener grass other side. And you should always understand that people, I have seen many people, I have seen many things. I mean, मेरा दोस्त है, वो विप्रो से फिर वो बैंक में चला गया, फिर बैंक में जॉब करके फिर वो आबकारी विभाग में वो बन गया, इंस्पेक्टर बन गया, और अभी वो शुतुरमुर्ग का बिजनेस कर रहा है. शुतुरमुर्ग बिजनेस, यू नो व्हाट इज अ शुतुरमुर्ग, राइट? ऑस्ट्रिच बिजनेस. अब वो क्या बोलता है, अंडा मैं खरीदूंगा, फिर उसमें अंडे को फिर मैं बड़ा करूंगा, फिर शुतुरमुर्ग बड़ा होगा. रिडिकुलस. सुअर पालन केंद्र, मछली पालन केंद्र, वो तुम कितना भी पालन केंद्र करते रह जाओ, मैं तो हजारों लोगों को पालने का मैंने सिस्टम बना लिया है. Why? Because of not having overthinking and patience and perseverance and everything. So thank you so much, Dikshant ji and Shashank sir, for inviting me. Thank you so very much.
Really, Dikshan ji, that's an awesome content, sir. मेरे को तो ऐसे ही जा रहा था. I was recapping all the follow-up points what Arun sir was saying. That was really so good. I hope each and every leader who is attending this live have got good stuff. They can implement it today in a proper way. And दीक्षांत जी, आप क्या बताएगा? आप ये कंटेंट के बारे में आप कैसा लगा आपको? आपको कैसा लगा? पहले
सर, यस सर, अरुण सर वाज वेरी मतलब अरुण सर के पूरे सेशन को मैंने ध्यान से सुना और मुझे कुछ चीजें समझ में आई जो सर ने बताई हैं. वैसे आज मेरे अलावा सर मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा अप्रोक्सीमेटली 2900 लोग हैं जो कि इस लाइव सेशन को देख रहे हैं. तो मेरे साथ साथ 2900 लोगों ने भी अपनी नॉलेज को बहुत एनहांस किया है आज के सेशन, आज अरुण सर के पार्ट के बाद. एंड सर कमिंग अप फॉरवर्ड सर, जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हुए and coming on the next part of the event which is also a really exciting part. और मैं आप सब लोग को कनेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ our MD मिस्टर अर्जुन खन्ना सर से. एंड आप लोगों को एक जबरदस्त मैसेज मिलने वाला है मिस्टर अर्जुन खन्ना सर से. तो कीप अप योर सीट बेल्ट्स टाइट और आई वुड लाइक द एडमिन टीम टू प्लीज कनेक्ट टू मिस्टर अर्जुन खन्ना सर. एंड आप बहुत जल्दी अर्जुन खन्ना सर को सुनने वाले हैं. द एमडी ऑफ बायोशेल्स बिजनेस प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, नन अदर देन द सीबकथॉन गुरु मिस्टर अर्जुन खन्ना सर. सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट आवर एडमिन टीम.
डियर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स, आज मैं आपसे जो बात कहने जा रहा हूं ये हमें बताएगी कि हमारी कंपनी का विजन कैसे डेवलप हुआ, क्या था पीछे इसके, हमने क्यों इम्यूनिटी बूस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट्स चूज किए, हमने क्यों सीबकथॉन चूज किया, क्या वजह थी इन सब चीजों के लिए. अगर आप डीपली स्टडी करेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि इंडिया में 60% के आसपास लोग डाइट रिलेटेड डिजीजेस की वजह से और कंडीशंस की वजह से पीड़ित हैं. और ये क्या है, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है डाइट में कि 60% ऑफ इंडिया को ये इतनी प्रॉब्लम होनी चाहिए. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट, वाइटामिन नहीं है डाइट में. विटामिन ए, विटामिन B1, B6, B12 डाइट में नहीं है. आयरन डेफिशिएंसी है, प्रोटेक्टिव न्यूट्रिएंट्स ओमेगास नहीं है और मिनरल्स भी नहीं है, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स नहीं है. नॉर्मल डाइट में इंडियन हाउसहोल्ड 60% ऑफ इंडिया अपने नॉर्मल डाइट से ये जो प्रोटेक्टिव न्यूट्रिएंट्स चाहिए नहीं मिलते हैं. इतनी बड़ी शॉर्टेजेस हैं, इतना प्रॉब्लम है. सेकंड पॉइंट, ये जो डाइट डेफिशिएंसीज हैं इसकी वजह से हाई ब्लड प्रेशर, हार्ट डिजीज, डायबिटीज, स्ट्रोक, कैंसर और इम्यूनिटी रिलेटेड एनर्जी डेफिशिएंसी होता है. इतनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं डाइट की वजह से. इसके अलावा जो कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस हैं जैसे कि वायरल फीवर्स हो गए, डेंगू हो गया, हेपेटाइटिस हो गया, इन सब टाइप ऑफ डिजीजेस में अगर आपकी बॉडी की इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग नहीं है तो आप इन सब चीजों से भी नहीं लड़ सकते आराम से. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, आजकल ये सारी डिजीज भी ड्रग रेजिस्टेंट हो गई हैं. इतने सारे एंटीबायोटिक्स सबने प्रिस्क्राइब किए हैं कि वो काम ही नहीं करते ह्यूमन बॉडी. देयरफॉर सॉल्यूशन नेचर से ही आ सकता है. हमने भी यही सोचा कि जो लाइफस्टाइल, डाइट और इन सब चीजों के साथ रिलेटेड है वो आपको उसका सॉल्यूशन लाइफस्टाइल को सॉर्ट आउट करके और नेचर से ही आ सकता है. सो हम ऑलरेडी आयुर्वेद और नेचर के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. आज की डेट में हम इंडिया की प्रथम सीबकथॉन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डायरेक्ट सेलिंग कंपनी है. हमारी ख्वाहिश ये है कि हम सून इंडिया में नंबर 1 डायरेक्ट सेलिंग कंपनी बने. दिस इज आवर विजन. हाउ इज दिस गोइंग टू बी पॉसिबल? मैं आपको समझाता हूं कि हमने पायनियरिंग R&D करी है, पायनियरिंग प्रोडक्ट्स डेवलप किए हैं जिसके मेजरेबल रिजल्ट्स हैं. ये सिर्फ एक प्रोडक्ट लाने की बात नहीं है, हर प्रोडक्ट का मेजरेबल रिजल्ट है. अगर आपने सीबकथॉर्न डाइबो जूस पिक किया और किसी को शुगर मैनेजमेंट के लिए दिया, वो रिजल्ट्स आपको मैटर ऑफ आवर्स इफ नॉट डेज में आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा रिजल्ट, और आप उस रिजल्ट को मेजर कर सकते हैं। ये एक एग्जाम्पल है। अगर आपने कोई हमारा एक फॉर एग्जाम्पल सोप उठाया, सीबकथॉर्न सोप, नेचुरल सोप, उसको अगर आप अपने फेशियल स्किन पे यूज करेंगे, फैंटास्टिक रिजल्ट्स हैं। दूसरे सोप्स आपके स्किन को हार्म करते हैं, ये सोप आपके स्किन को रिजुविनेट करता है, बहुत फर्क है। अगर आपने एक सिंपल चीज लाइक हैंड सैनिटाइजर लिया, आजकल है कोविड है, सब लोग डरे हुए हैं, हैंड सैनिटाइजर यूज होता है, वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट हैंड सैनिटाइजर विद सीबकथॉर्न एक्सट्रैक्ट एंड नीम एक्सट्रैक्ट, आपकी स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज भी करता है, साथ के साथ सैनिटाइज करने के साथ साथ मॉइस्चराइज करता है। अगेन यू कैन सी द रिजल्ट। हमारी सारी इनिशिएटिव्स, पायनियरिंग इनिशिएटिव्स के प्रोसेसेस जो हैं हमने पेटेंट करे हुए हैं। हम रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट में बहुत टाइम, एनर्जी और मनी इन्वेस्ट करते हैं। वी बिलीव दैट अ स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन ऑफ वेरी वेरी गुड result oriented products is going to make the difference in the long run. हम short run के लिए नहीं हैं। In the long run, your product is most important. It will define your sustainability. You will be happy that the product you use gives result on a daily basis. So इसलिए हमने डेली बेसिस के प्रोडक्ट्स यूज किए, इंट्रोड्यूस किए हैं, और विजन के हिसाब से, ताकि आपका एक्सपेंशन का लिमिटलेस पॉसिबिलिटी हो। इसलिए हमने 6 वर्टिकल्स के प्रोडक्ट्स डेवलप किए, 6 सॉलिड वर्टिकल्स। फॉर एग्जांपल, फर्स्ट वर्टिकल जूसेस एंड बेवरेजेस विथ मेजरेबल रिजल्ट्स। इसमें लाइफस्टाइल कंडीशंस के जूसेस और बेवरेजेस हैं, चाहे आपको शुगर मैनेजमेंट करना है, चाहे आपको कार्डियक मैनेजमेंट करना है, चाहे आपको इम्यूनिटी तो खैर सारे ही प्रोडक्ट्स बूस्ट करते हैं, चाहे आपको वेट मैनेजमेंट करना है, सारी कैटेगरी 18 जूसेस आर देयर। सेकंड वर्टिकल, टी, ग्रीन टी, ब्लैक टी। इस टी की खासियत है, इसमें सीबकथॉर्न लीव्स हैं विद वेरी वेरी हाई एंटीवायरल प्रॉपर्टीज। Amazing, it's amazing. Then you have a category of cosmetics, a huge range of cosmetics, more than 50 cosmetics. These cosmetics are much superior. You can see the result, you can feel the difference in your skin. They are not normal cosmetics. Then we have recently introduced a category of essentials, in which hand sanitizer is there. We are soon coming out with masalas. We are then coming out, hopefully by Diwali, with dry fruit. Then you have a category of supplements, various type of supplements. Some are based on Sebucthorn and some have combined other herbs. It's a huge category. There's an unlimited scope for expansion in that. And last but not least, there's a category of food, जिसमें jam भी है. Again, this jam is a Sebucthorn jam, and it has got huge potential. We are seeing such good reviews of this jam. So when you have 6 huge verticals and we have introduced a 7th vertical, the expansion of your business is possible in an unlimited manner. And again, इनमें daily use products बहुत हैं। हमारी pioneering initiatives की वजह से there is a huge difference in our products and other products. We are here to give you value. We are here to give you life-changing products. So this is the real reason where you have a differentiation between us as a direct selling company and perhaps others direct sellers. We have got very strong R&D, very strong pioneering effort, very strong determination to quality and new products. हमारी कंपनी दुनिया की फर्स्ट कंपनी है जिसकी इतनी सारी रेंज है सीबकथॉर्न की प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड वी हैव बीन अवार्डेड फॉर दैट both internationally and nationally. So now I want to come and explain to you, now that I've given you a big background, why should somebody choose BioSash as a direct selling career? It's a career. It's a very, very good opportunity. But why should you choose it? First and foremost, I'll tell you the normal reasons. We are very, very strong in our online presence, and you have an all India reach because of that, which you know. Secondly, there's a wide opportunity because of the leadership. The leadership in BioSash, your leaders are very, very strong. They are going to handhold you in the process of making you achieve your goals and your dreams. Third, today, if you want to start up a new business, there is a huge difficulty, even more so because of the recent pandemic. You can't even move out of the house safely. You have to first worry about boosting your immunity. But in our case, there is a double benefit. Why is there a double benefit? Firstly, the products which we manufacture and are in our direct selling platform are all geared to increasing your immunity. As soon as you start using our products, you will find that your immunity is getting better. So that's the first benefit. Secondly, you don't need too much money to start. Our structure is designed in such a way that you can start very easily and start earning an income also very easily. There is a statistic which says that in case of startups, 95% of startups fail. Why? Because of lack of money, lack of experience, lack of leadership. These are three main things. In BioSash, you don't need too much money. There's a huge leadership pool waiting to guide you, and you can bank on their experience. And the fourth thing which I'd like to add is our products are pioneering, innovative, life-changing, and will boost your immunity. I am such a strong believer of my own products that I use my products every single day. I must have Sebuckthorn juice and I must have Sebuckthorn capsules every day. I use my own toothpaste. I drink my own tea. That is the confidence we have. So, my friends, don't waste time. Especially in this time of this pandemic, the first and foremost priority of every human being in the world is how should I boost my immunity? And today I'm proud to say that we are calling ourselves the immunity boosting company. Why? Because our products are all geared to give you measurable results with immunity, to boost your immunity. And when you have such a strong foundation and you have the confidence because you've tried the product yourself, then it's so easy to convince anybody. Plus, these products, Sebuckthorn especially, Sebuckthorn products, have got 120 research papers on Sebuckthorn. What Sebuckthorn does, how it works, what does omega-3 do, what does omega-7 do, how does it impact your body, how does it change your life. There are more than 120 research papers worldwide from Russia, China, Denmark, Finland, Germany, India. All these countries have researched the product. Without hesitation, my friends, I wish you all the best. And don't waste any more time. Join us. Take care.
So it was a great privilege to listen from our MD, Mr. Arjun Khanna sir. And I would love to tell you all that using Sebuckthorn is a very nice experience. I maybe Sebuckthorn user who I think Shashank sir is also a Sebuckthorn user, and we are blessed to have some product like Sebuckthorn. And I would love to thank Mr. Arjun Khanna sir, जिन्होंने हमें एक opportunity दी to have use such a type of product, such a type of you can say miraculous product है, एक miracle berry आप कह सकते हो, that is coming us from Ladakh. It is coming up from Ladakh region. So Shashank sir, I think Seebuckthorn is a very amazing product. What do you say, sir?
Amazing product and amazing thing. And मेरे घर में जो भी है 90% of the products अब मैं replace कर दिया है. I have shifted and replaced 90% of the products with Seebuckthorn and Bioshare. हमारा कंपनी के सारे products हैं. एक 5 to 6 products हम replace नहीं कर पाए, लेकिन हम वो भी replace कर देंगे जरूर. Like sir ने अभी नया products आने का है बोल के बोला, वो भी replace कर लेंगे. And I request every leader of our SOL team, start replacing your household products with our Bioshare products, so that you can approach many people and many families. It's the most important thing. And जैसा आपने सर ने जैसा अब सर को जैसा सुनने के बाद, अब ये कंपनी का जो टैगलाइन जो है Bioshare इम्यूनिटी बूस्टिंग कंपनी, वो एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग 100% लग रहा है एंड लगेगा भी. Bioshare the immunity boosting company. Let's continue the session. And the next coming leader, Dikshanji, I would ask you, I would like to take your help in inviting that great personality, Dikshanji.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's my privilege to get a chance to invite such a personality in this live session. And sir, मैं बहुत ही अपने आप को grateful और अपने आप को बहुत ही I'm feeling very lucky to call that person. And people are guessing us. People are guessing on the live stream also. Yes, some people are guessing it right. Some people are guessing it right. Okay. Yes, sir. We are just ready to invite the Master Blaster himself and our guru, my mentor. And मैं आपको बताऊं सर के बारे में, तो it would be a large session to tell us about Udit sir, because I have taken many of the sessions to tell only about Udit sir. And here we come up with the live session of Udit sir, and you are really privileged to hear him. So I would like the admin team to please connect to Mr. Udit Chawla sir. I would like to see the impressions in the chat box.
Right. Good morning, everyone. This is Udit Chawla here in front of you in this wonderful pre-Genesis event. We are here out there in front of each one of you. First of all, I would love to congratulate each one of you, because you are the part of one of the innovating and one of the best team of direct selling, that is Team SOL, Team School of Leadership, where we are being nurtured and guided in the leadership of our Mahaguru, Mr. Bhupendra Kumar Pal sir and Mr. Nikhil Pratap Singh sir. If I see Team SOL, they have a history of setting a benchmark in front of entire industry. In last, from 2015 till 2020, we are here. This Team SOL has been setting up different kind of benchmarks into the direct selling industry in the format of various events, which you already are very well informed and are very well aware. The second thing, I would love to congratulate each one of you, because today we are working with superb products that is through Bioshare, which are specific, having a USP of Seebuckthorn, right? And in this time, as you all know, that many people do health insurance, they do life insurance, but I think so in this time of COVID-19, the insurance that is required is not health insurance and life insurance. More than that, what is required is immunity insurance. And as Arjun Khanna sir said, we are an immunity boosting organization. So I feel really proud that we are, it's not only about direct sales business, it's not only about helping people to grow in terms of ability, in terms of skills, which Team SOL is doing. The more and the most important thing is we are helping many people all across the country to make them aware about this particular thing, Seebuckthorn, so that they can make their immunity stronger. So may God forbid, in case if Corona comes up to their family, they have already strengthened their immunity using Seebuckthorn. So I really feel proud that we are educating masses about Seebuckthorn, about entrepreneurship through Team SOL, and about Seebuckthorn through Bioshare. Now, if I have got an opportunity, with the help of my uplines, Mr. Arun Solanki sir, Mr. Bhupendra Kumar Pal sir, and still Mr. Nikhil Pratap sir, to share my views, to share my thought process. So I am going to discuss 4 or 5 points which I really feel from my journey that they played a crucial role. And if you are new to this industry, if you are starting and if you are new to this industry and if you are coming up in this industry, I would love to share some of my points out there. If I tell about, I came into this direct sales business when I was in my college second year, and I was 19-year-old. And being a 19-year-old, some of the time you don't carry that kind of maturity in your life because you are too young and you don't have that kind of maturity in your life. So I was also in the same category. At the age of 19, when I entered into direct sales business, I was not having enough maturity. I was not able to think about the bigger picture. I was not able to think about entrepreneurship at that point of time. I was not able to think about the term called business in my mind because I never came to my engineering college with the process of doing a business or having a startup. So at that point of time, the first thing that was really wonderful was when I was working up in the system, there were many reasons. There were many reasons why in my initial days I would have given up. But there were some reasons which made me to continue into the system. Some of the time when I was working up in the system in my initial days, I used to see that some of the time my family was not that supportive. So I would have made that a reason to give up. Some of the time when I was working up in the starting days, there were some rejection or there was some mismatch of thought process between me and some of my friends. I would have made it a reason and I would have quitted the system. In my initial days, as you know, when you are 19-year-old, right, your friends just need a reason to make fun. So in my initial days, maybe when some of the friends were using this idea to tease me out, I would have made those as a reason to give up. But dear friends, I thank God that He gave me that kind of maturity when I was 19. Thanks my upline, Mr. Arun Solanki, Mr. Bhupendra Kumar Pal, and Mr. Nikhil Pratap Singh sir. They counseled me at the proper time, and I borrowed. Actually, I borrowed maturity from my uplines. I was not mature when I started working in the system, but I borrowed maturity from my uplines, right? And I always remember my upline saying a statement, Udit, if you don't have strong reason to work in the system, continue working. Because if you are continue working, you will discover your reasons with time. And my uplines were absolutely right. At the age of 19, when I entered into the system, I was not having maturity. I was not having big reasons when I started. Many people have big reasons when they start. But I was not, I will not say I was not having absolute big reason that I want to be in entrepreneurship. But being in the system, I thanks God for the maturity that He gave me, that at the age of 19, I was able to take up the choices between the right choices and the easy choices. I was able to make up the difference between the right choices and the easy choices. I thanks God and I thanks my upline who counseled me, and I borrowed their maturity. And slowly, when I started working up in this system, and slowly, when I started working up in this system, I attended different kind of events. I started reading book. Actually, I will say I started following system. Right? If I summarize everything in a simple line, I started following systems. If you are new to this industry, just follow system. Just follow system. Because working in this industry from last 10 years, if somebody comes to me and he say me, sir, I am new to this industry, what should I do? My reply will be very simple: follow system. Follow system which has been created, which has been built up, and the system through which already many people have got the success. Follow the system, right? And what was the system? The first point of system was be 100% product user. Start using your product and services. Some people say, they come to me and say, Udit, it's a business of sales. I say, no, it's not a business of sales. You know what is the business of sales? I will give one example. You go to Mercedes showroom, the person who is selling the Mercedes, he is doing sales. You know why? Because he is selling a Mercedes and he has never used a Mercedes. He doesn't own a Mercedes and he's selling a Mercedes. That is sales. But direct selling business is not about selling. It's about sharing. You share. You share. It's not about selling. Direct selling business is not about selling. Direct selling business is about sharing. When you use something and you are very excited about it, you share. Right? You came up, you used Sebuckthorne, you got result, you got excited, you shared. You gave products to your mom used it, mom got excited, mom shared. Your father used it, your father got excited, your father shared. You gave it to your relatives used it, relatives got excited, they shared. You came into direct selling industry, your appliance gave you training, you felt very good, you got a very good experience, you started sharing your experience with your friends and they became your business partner in the process. You started earning your check, you shared your income, you were excited, oh, I got a check. I still remember my college days when I got a check. I was so excited because it was my first income. When you get your first income, you get excited, you share. When you get your bike, you get excited, you share. When you get your car, you get excited, you share. And I feel very proud. There are many young achievers in Team SOL who have gifted them a car at such a age where people are dreaming about getting a job. And I've seen Team SOL leaders gifting them wonderful cars. And I've been hearing out statements from many leaders that I am 20 and I am driving I-20. I've been hearing out these kind of statements. Yes, we know we have to convert into other statement, right? We are going to, Team SOL is going to set very new benchmark for this industry so that it can open and inspire mind of many other people. So I will say this business is not about selling. This business is about sharing your reviews, sharing your testimonial, sharing your excitement, sharing your energy, sharing your income, sharing your growth. It's all about sharing. And what I have been doing from last 10 years is not sales. What I have been doing from last 10 years is sharing. And even today in this meeting, I am sharing my journey. I am sharing my journey. So and we have been already doing sharing from live. We were sharing things. We were sharing information about a book. We were sharing information about a movie. We were sharing information about good products. But we have got an opportunity that in the process of sharing, we can change our life and we can change many lives. So what was the first point of system? Be 100% product user, right? Because when you use your product, you get belief. You don't need to sell. You share because you have got belief by using it. The second point is read books, listen to tapes, and watch videos. I never recommend you to watch motivational speakers. I never recommend you to watch motivational speakers. I recommend you to listen to people who have gained some tremendous success in their life, because motivational speakers play the game of words. Listen to the people who have won the game of life, right? Listen to good entrepreneurs, listen to good actors, celebrities who have attained success in their life. Read books, because when you read books, you understand that I am not only mad person who is into this business. There have been already many mad people like me who came into this industry, who tried something different in their life and they are super successful. So you get an inspiration. We have been inspired for getting a job many times from our childhood. Now it's time we need to get inspired from someone to do big in life. And everybody get inspired from someone or some incident. So make sure, build up such environment around you through books, through videos and through tapes. So those books, through videos, and tapes should not inspire you to spend your time in Insta, Facebook and PUBG. Make such an environment around you, because it's your life and it's your responsibility. Make such an environment around you so that they should inspire you to do something big in your life, to come out of mediocrity. And that happens when you follow the point number 2. Point number 3. What is the point number 3? Never miss any function. Never miss any meeting. You miss a meeting, and you don't know what you have missed. You don't know what you have. There were many times when I was down. There was many times where I was feeling low. There was many times where my excitement was going down. There were many times where I needed a kind of counseling. And those are places where meeting played a very important role. That place where meeting played a very important role. And sticking to the meeting till the last, because you don't know, maybe the last statement of the meeting can be the statement which can transform your life. The last statement of the meeting can be the statement which can change your life. So sticking to the meeting, and not only present in the meeting just physically, but being present in the meeting mentally, right? Third point, that is following, that is never miss any function. And the fourth is do regular activity. Because if you are not doing activity, right? If you are not doing activity, it's like you are gathering the information, but it's not getting implemented. Activity. And the fifth is be in regular counseling of your uplines, right? Be in regular counseling with your uplines, right? When you follow these 5-point system, you know what happened? You get connected with this business in a process, right? You join this business, it's an event. But getting connected with this business, it's a process. Getting connected with this business is a process which happened when you follow the system. So I started this, I followed the system in my initial days, and in the process, I got connected, and later on, I got committed for this business. And as I got committed, I will come to my second point. I realized that to start this business, I don't need any ability, but to grow in this business, I need to develop my ability. So I was always showing learning attitude. Always showing learning attitude. As I was talking to my uplines also in the morning time, they said me, some people in school days, they get an exposure, they develop their communication, they develop how to speak with people, and they develop those things, right? But some people, they need to follow the system in order to develop ability. So the first is connecting with the system, right? And then getting committed for the system, and you will automatically develop ability when you are following the system, but you need to carry learning attitude. Sometimes people keep ego, they keep relationship issues, they are not opening up their mind, they are not ready to learn, right? Some of the time, maybe the person who is teaching them is his close friend, but they are not taking him seriously, right? And that's where it creates an hindrance in them. Truly speaking, when I was new, I was just doing Control plus C, Control plus X, and Control plus V. This was what I was doing. I was using cut, copy, paste my upline, and later on I started applying my common sense also. So second point is, first is follow the system, and in the process develop your ability. Now third point is value your resources. Some of the time I've seen many people, they don't make their guest list in a proper way. They don't make their consumer list in a proper way. I hear many people saying, "Oh, sir, my guest list is over," because they have never created their guest list. जो चीज बनी नहीं, वो खत्म कैसे हो सकती है? You have not made your guest list in a proper way. So how it can get over? Because our guest list can never get over, because every day we are getting connected with new people, either through social media, and if I go out of time of COVID-19, maybe personally, and everybody who is outside maybe need us as a business partner, or he need us to solve his health problem by giving him a good product, right? So what I need to do, value your resources. One more point I need to add for the people who have at least spent 1 year into this industry. Sometimes some situations comes when you are lacking resources. There was a time in my journey also where I was lacking resources, some resources, and I have to develop team from, after some time, I was developing a team from zero. You need to keep patience at that moment. Some of the time, if you don't have resource, you need to keep patience. I've seen many people, when God take their test of patience, they don't show it. In spite of having big reasons in their life, in spite of having ability, when God is testing their patience, they don't persist. Every successful person once had a time where he has to show patience and persistence, right? I was seeing, there was a journey in my time where I was seeing my dear friends who were a part of other organizations, they were growing. I was seeing many people around me were growing. I was not becoming jealous of them. I was taking an inspiration from them that today they are growing, tomorrow I will grow. And today, and what happened? In the coming journey, in the guidance of Team SOL, we were able to build up an organization, not in one city, not in one state. We were able to build organization in every nook and corner of the country. And I say very proud that in working in the guidance of Team SOL, we were able to build an organization from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Mumbai to Manipur. And remember, I am saying this statement with full energy and with full commitment that we are not hunters, we are farmers. We are not hunter. I have seen today in direct selling business, many people have become hunter. Ting, 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 ting. Sir, will you come with me? We are not hunter. We are farmer. We have been cultivating successful examples from a longer period of time. So there may come time when you have to show patience, right? And where you have to show the patience, where you have to show up the never give up attitude. And at last, right, I will not keep this session long, right? Because we are going to have Genesis event very soon, like tomorrow. We are going to have Genesis event. You will get to know about it in the coming time. But as I am in this particular session, I want to share one challenge with you. As you all know, we would have seen people taking up many kind of challenges. So here in this particular meeting, I want to share one challenge but before discussing that challenge, I want to discuss one more point. I have seen some people who have been, I've seen some people like who come into the system, they get connected also. They develop their ability also. And when the God shows time to keep patience, they show patience also. But they are not consistent. Right? And I'm telling from my personal experience, right? Don't be such kind of leader who was performing in an interval of time, right? Be a such kind of leader who was performing in every interval of time. There are some people who are performing. At one point of time, they were really doing very good. Or for 2 days, for 3 days, for a month, they were doing very good. But because of some reasons, maybe which they would have ignored or which they would have handheld, right? But because of that reason, what happened? They become inconsistent. And when they become inconsistent, you know what happened? They become a leader who were performing good in a period of time. But you don't want to be that. Because if you are performing good in a period of time, right, you will be like that celebrity who gave good movies and then went out. But if you want to become Shah Rukh Khan of direct selling industry, then you need to be consistent. You need to be consistent, not for a day, not for a month, not for a year, not for a decade, but you need to be consistent for direct selling industry for entire lifetime. And I am able to see that consistency in some of my leaders. I am able to see that consistency in my appliance, and we all together should work up to, if you have already crossed up the level of connecting with the system, developing ability, right, showing patience and persistence. Remember, friend, don't be a leader who was performing good in a period of time. Be a leader who is performing good in every period of time. You are giving your best in every period of time. And at last, I want to come up with a challenge, and that challenge is #Seebuckthorn use karega India. Right? #Seebuckthorn use karega India. Right? Correct? #Seebuckthorn, right? Kandipa use panagar. Right? So we have to take this challenge, #Seebuckthorn use karega India. Right? And in this challenge, right, we have to educate masses, because in today's time, people are talking about problems, that is corona. They are going the news that this much has been got corona, my neighbor has got corona, my colleague has got corona, and they have got symptoms. We are not here to discuss about problems. We are here to educate people that how they can boost up their immunity. I am telling you, people are taking vitamin C after going to hospital. Better is to take it when you are in your home. Right? So in this #Seebuckthorn use karega India challenge, we have to educate masses. We have to educate us. If you have yet not educated yourself, you have to educate your family. Some people are saying, sir, my dad doesn't know about Seebuckthorn, my mom doesn't know about Seebuckthorn. I say, this is the best time to tell your dad and mom about Seebuckthorn. This is the best time. Educate your family, educate your brother, educate your sister, not to do a sale, but to do a kind of social work, because you are educating them. And I promise you, tomorrow when Leh and Ladakh economy will grow, we will be the contributor in that economy. Some people say, like forbid China products. But you know what? Leh and Ladakh share border with the China. Don't you think that we should grow the economy of Leh and Ladakh? Right? Don't you think we can grow the economy of Leh and Ladakh, and by promoting Sibakthon we can do that? So in that hashtag Sibakthon challenge, we have to take a challenge that we have to educate us, and we have to give our review in the format of video on whatever social media platform we have. We have to share our review about Sibakthon, whichever product you feel really great. Then we have to share the review of our family, genuine reviews of your family, of your consumer, and then take a challenge that in coming 10 days till 5th of August, we have to personally educate 20 people about Sibakthon. We have to educate, personally, we have to educate 20 people about Sibakthon, not with a motive of sales, but with a motive of sharing the excitement that we carry toward for Sibakthon. And today, I nominate and I request my uplines, Mr. Arun Solanki sir, Mr. Bhupendra Kumar Pal sir, and Mr. Nikhil Pratap Singh sir to accept the challenge hashtag Sibakthon use Karega India. And see, I'm not the right person to throw a challenge at you, sir, but I request, sir, if you can accept our challenge of hashtag Sibakthon use Karega India, and I request everyone in this meeting to take a challenge. If you are ready, show your excitement. Are you ready to take this challenge for coming 10 days? Hashtag Sibakthon use Karega India. Right. I want your WhatsApp status, Instagram profile, Facebook profile, everything to be shared up with your genuine reviews out there for the benefit that you have got, because we are not in a business of sales. We are in a business of sharing. So I end my part by discussing this challenge that is hashtag Sibakthon use Karega India. And with this challenge, let's take a pledge that in coming few days, we are going to educate. Let's say I'm able to see we are 2,400 people connected out in the session. And when we are 2,400 people connected in this session, that means we can educate 50,000 people in coming 10 days that what is Sibakthon. We can educate 50,000 people in coming 10 days what is Sibakthon. So get ready, let's work together, and let's go with a challenge, right? Not only to promote a business, but to share the solution that is Sibakthon, right? And doing what our PM has said for the country, that is going vocal for local and becoming Atmanirbhar. I've already seen Team SOL doing that, and with Biosearch, we are going vocal for local also. So without taking much time, right, giving you the challenge, hashtag Sibakthon use Karega India, I end my part, right? And I would love to thank our host, Shashank Kodrappa ji and Dikshant Sharma ji for inviting me, and for my uplines, giving me an opportunity for sharing my part, and for all my team for listening me in my wonderful way. With these words, I end my part. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We will meet back. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, that's a great energy flow of energy. I can see that my body is full of energy, like, right? And seriously, sir, आप जैसे बताया, Sibakthon use करेगा India, right? Yes, sir, Sibakthon को use करेगा India, जरूर. Sibakthon को use करेगा India. We are using it from last 6 to 7 months in a proper way, sir, properly. And I just bought it this for you all, Sibakthon. आप educate करो लोगों को, bottle को ले वो educate करो लोगों को. You educate your family in a proper way. Tell them the content, nutrition content of them. ये bottle के ऊपर nutrition content है, इसके ऊपर सिखाओ, सारा लोगों को सब कुछ समझाओ लोगों को. Each and every content, every nutrition content, whatever it is having, right? See, that should be in the market. If you are going to get those things in the market, you need to get various things, 30 to 40 different items. You need to get it. But what I would like to say is all about, when you educate about Sibakthon, people will get one stop solution. एक मात्र का solution रहेगा, वो Sibakthon बन जाएगा. हमारा बायोशा से बोल के आप बता सकते हैं भी, आपको, आपका फैमिली को, रिलेटिव्स को, फ्रेंड सर्कल, सब लोगों को बताना है सर. जरूर 50,000 नहीं सर, 75,000, 80,000 and 1 lakh people को भी प्रमोट करेगा सर हमारा टीम ऑफ एसएल के साथ. And this is the time, Dikshant ji, I feel like, कैसा लगा आपको कैसा लगा सर? Last 25 minutes, 30 minutes, like, Dikshant ji, are you there? Dikshant ji, I feel some network issue, and I would like to continue the things. Like, yes, my dear leaders, it's all about following the system. It's all about doing something regular, maintaining a discipline, a proper discipline, so that we can do best in our career. Dikshant ji, बताइए Dikshant ji. Yes.
Okay, Shashank sir, actually, it was not a network issue. मेरे पास I was getting a call from Mr. Nikhil Pratap Singh sir,
Oh, that's
and
a great.
taking his name, I think chat box में बहुत सारा excitement अभी आने वाला है. Yes, today we are not ready to listen, sir, because आज थोड़ा wait करना पड़ेगा. Great things take time already, आपको पता होगा. And there is a very huge announcement. एक बहुत जबरदस्त announcement सर के थ्रू मेरे पास आया हुआ है. That आज देखिए YouTube पे बहुत एनर्जी का फ्लो हुआ है. मैंने भी देखा, मैं भी देख रहा था. when Udit sir was talking, Arun sir was talking, I was really, Shashank sir, मैं बहुत देर से देख रहा था, YouTube सेशन को देख रहा था, and people were really excited. But what the point is, sir, what the point is, मैं सारे लोगों को एक recommendation देना चाहूंगा. Leaders who want to get the gist of the meeting, जो भी मीटिंग को अच्छे से समझना चाहते हैं, अपने YouTube के चैट बॉक्स को प्लीज बंद रखें. आज नहीं, कल 3 बजे. Because people are constantly reading the YouTube comments. You don't need to read the comments, sir. You need to listen to our leaders. That is more beneficial and that is more important. But because I think our leaders are more smarter than that chat box. Okay, people are really fighting up there. No, this is Zabardast, I know, but the content is also very crucial. That is coming tomorrow live at 3. Note down the dates. अपनी dates copy में note down कर लीजिए. अलार्म लगा लीजिए. 3 बजे का अलार्म लगा लीजिए. Call up all your guests जिनको भी आपने सेशन में बुलाया था. Call up all your guests tomorrow 3. Shashank sir, are you excited for tomorrow's session?
Yes,
कि
yes,
हमें
sir,
दोबारा
definitely,
आना
sir,
है.
definitely. बहुत excited हूँ मैं. शायद 3 o'clock से 2:30 या 2 o'clock से ready होना चाहिए सारे लोग. I feel like 2:30 से ready होना चाहिए. And I feel like that was a great session. This is somewhat prepared Genesis will look like. And tomorrow the असली अभी picture अभी बाकी है दोस्त. ये अभी trailer है. But this is just a trailer. You got an outlook how it is going to be. There are many such things. You are going to listen many great things. You are going to listen Bhupendra Pal sir. You are going to listen Mr. Nikhil Pratap Singh sir. You are going to listen many more core leaders of SOL. They will share their experience. They will share their knowledge how they entered into the core of SOL. And you'll be getting many other people outside the world. They are happy with the products. They are happy with the product. How they are feeling. They are feeling really blessed to have BioSash product in their life. Such a kind of things are there, and you'll be getting those all things. And I say again, stay tuned, leaders. Stay tuned. And for some more excited event tomorrow 3 o'clock. कल पक्का हो जाएगा. अंदर 3 o'clock के रेडी होना. सब लोग 3 बजे के लिए तैयार हो जाओ. 2:30 बजे 3 बजे के लिए. दीक्षांत जी और ये उन लोगों को सरप्राइज बताएंगे. दीक्षांत जी सरप्राइज एक बार सरप्राइज भी बताएंगे.
सरप्राइज कल है सर. सरप्राइज का एलिमेंट कल है. सारे yes, we will open up all the surprises tomorrow. And
definitely
I think I got a message from Mr. Nikhil Pratap Singh sir कि आज हमें जितना अरुण सर और उदित सर को सुनना था हम पहले ही ऑलरेडी सुन चुके हैं. So now Udit sir and Arun sir, we will invite you tomorrow, sir. We will invite you in tomorrow's session. And today, we as a host, we have to wind up the session today. So I will wish you all the luck for tomorrow. And Udit sir and Bhupendra sir, Nikhil sir, Arun Solanki sir को हम सुनने के लिए excited हैं tomorrow again. And Nikhil and Udit sir and Arun sir ने आज जो हमारा session लिया है, I think it was tremendous. And कल इससे 2 गुना 3 गुना होने वाला है. So I would like the admin team to end up the session here. And please provide us tomorrow's link as soon as possible. And so thank you everyone. Thank you all the audience. And thank you from my co-host Shashank Kudrupaka sir. And I would like the admin team to end up the event and play the thanks note here.
that's a great